Watch bounce. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and as you can tell by the title, today's video is such a good one. I am giving you guys a tour of my new house. So I did get a house, and now in today's video, I would like to go and price check things with you all, just go shopping. I've already started doing this, but I don't mind doing it again. I absolutely love going to these home stores. So yeah, just going shopping and showing you guys the prices and everything for all of this stuff and taking you all along with me. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Okay, it's literally 5 minutes later and I just got ready on TikTok though. So if you're not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. But yeah, so I just got ready and now I'm about to switch out of my pajamas and into some regular clothes, clean up a little bit, and we can head out and go to the house. I'm obviously just trying to be as comfortable as possible here, but also, I don't know, it looks like it's chilly outside, but also the sun has got out, so I don't really know. But I'm trying to be as comfortable as possible because I'm just going to give you all a tour of the house. But then right after that, I'm going to finish this vlog because the house tour will be a separate vlog, and then this vlog will be a separate vlog. So this one, I'll be filming around this vlog basically all day. Okay, I'm done getting dressed. I will show you what I have on once my tripod is set up. I just have on, just this plain brown set. And then I threw on a ton of gold jewelry because I love gold jewelry. And yeah, now I also took out my claw clip because my braids are a little too new for a claw clip. I was squeezing into my scalp. So I put a cute little silk scrunchie and it's pink. And now I'm about to clean my apartment a little bit, just make up my bed. That's all that really needs to be done. And yeah, I'm gonna time lapse this. I'm out of my apartment now and I'm headed to the house, and I did not add, just first off, how grateful I am that this actually worked out. I'm literally always shocked whenever things like this work out for me. Okay, I just did the full house tour for TikTok and YouTube. So if you want to see two different perspectives, because I think I said a little bit of different stuff in both of them. If you want to see two different perspectives, definitely check out my TikTok account and follow me because I will be uploading different things on all three accounts. And also follow me on Instagram because this will be a lot of fun. Now I am going to go run my errands for the day. So excited. Oh wow, that just got me so excited. But anyways, my errands also include going to take you guys to go look at prices and everything, and also looking at it myself. Actually, I'm going to go get Brittany washed because it's been so cold, snowy, raining, everything, so she has not gotten washed yet, and it's time. First stop, as you guys saw in the time lapse, is Home Depot for no reason at all, because honestly I think Home Depot is my second favorite. I don't know, it just feels kind of homey. But there's another store like Home Depot and Lowe's where I will stop as well that's a little bit cheaper. So yeah, Home Depot first. Can we also talk about the sun? Oh my gosh, I'm so ready for spring, so ready for warm weather. I feel so happy right now. I don't know why. Honestly, I feel like going to go pick up some ice cream. There's a ton of things I forgot that I will have to get, like light bulbs. Yeah, but I have to get some light bulbs for the rooms, but that's last. That's final step. Right now, I really need to try to think about nitty gritty things, kind of the lights. Not really. Lights also last, but paint, doors, floors, stain, wood stain, stuff like that. If I'm going to replace these, then I need to think about that as well. There's just a lot that I need to think about, and that's really what this vlog is about. If you watched my last vlog, you saw that some of the blinds need to be replaced, and oh my gosh, I'm actually very shocked about these prices. I thought blinds would be way more expensive. But once again, blinds and like detail like that, that's like not last, but like definitely not first. So I know I want to do the peel and stick tile in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. I don't really know like what design I want right now. I kind of have some ideas, which I showed you guys in the last vlog, but yeah, I just have a bunch of ideas. I think that's the worst part right now, not having like a set plan with what I want to do. It's also slowing down progress. But yeah, once I figure that out and actually like go home, continue to look at Pinterest and pick some ideas out, then I will be on a roll here. This is gonna be so hard because looking at these, I immediately said no, but then I looked up there and I was like, oh, okay, I can kind of see it. But so these are like the tile options for the flooring in the bathroom, and I want the flooring in the bathroom and kitchen to be similar, not the same, but similar. And like I said, I plan on staining that, so having it be a little bit darker, actually more like a lot darker. Like I think I kind of want it like this shade. So now I don't know, like I feel like this would be too much for a kitchen, but it's perfect for a bathroom, and then this would be pretty good in a kitchen, right? Question mark. I don't know, like this would be good in a kitchen. Yeah, this one would be good in the kitchen, but like does that match with this? I don't know. Also, I don't know how well I will be able to stain it. I feel like if I do stain it, it will look more like this than this for sure though, just because of the color it is right now. I think it's more this color, and I don't like that. Okay, I just found this and it's so pretty, but I think this is close to like this, right? Like closer. I think it's a little more orange actually, but this is a little more white. So I don't know, I'm so excited. I think I'll just keep pulling videos to reference for every single video that I do of these, so you can kind of see where I'm going from. But if you would like to see like the original video and everything, like where I'm starting, then definitely be sure to check out my empty home tour. There's someone over here, so I'm trying to be quiet, but I don't know. I don't really know what color like I want to go with in the cabinets in the bathroom. Ooh, wait, I kind of like this, but everything I like has like texture look, and that can't be the case because that's like that limits how you can decorate it. Now if I could just figure out how I want to paint the cabinets in the kitchen and in the bathroom, that would be amazing, because those will be DIY projects. Anything with painting will be at DIY projects, and anything with like staining, which is kind of like painting, will be DIY projects. Oh, okay, because it's a different brand.
No, it's the same brand, but you see how it says 1 coat and 3 times faster?
Yeah.
That's because it's really thick.
Okay, so that was very helpful. And now I'm looking at these, but just like for floor stains, and I was really looking at like the prices of everything. It was kind of telling me like if it has poly and stain in it, then this is like the only thing you have to buy. But like if you're just getting just a wood stain, then you're going to want to purchase a poly, which will seal it in. So I'm learning so much. And this is gonna be really great to watch back, because then I'll get to like get on here and see what I was looking at while I'm making my final decisions and everything with like flooring and this and everything else I look at. Okay, I just finished taking pictures with like my floor samples next to what would be my stained floor. Now I am looking at the paint options, and I already kind of started looking at paint, not gonna lie, but I just haven't come up with a decision. And honestly, this vlog, filming this like today, I've come up with a lot of decisions on my own, and I feel very happy about that. I am such a sucker for neutral colors, which is great because this is a rental property and I need to keep it like as neutral as possible, just so that it's easier for other people to decorate it as, you know, they want to make it as homey as possible. This is so expensive, oh my gosh. And then the fact that I have to get a primer and or multiple primers and then the paint is just crazy. Paint and floor ring is really what I wanted to look at today, and so I kind of got, you know, the gist of everything. But I also want to show you guys how expensive these windows are. I'm so shocked. Also doors, oh my gosh, doors are so expensive. But I will show you, that's not windows. Okay, I found doors first, and look, it's literally just your basic door. Anyone want to donate for the cause here? This is crazy. I did not know doors cost this much. And if you watched my empty house tour, you saw there were some windows, or you probably saw there were some windows that I will need to replace. Look at the price. That is insane. I just want to show you guys, this is like the real tile, the stuff I will not be getting, because look at the prices. I will not be doing that. Okay, I'm at Menards now, which I know a lot of people don't really know what that is. I didn't know what that was until I moved up here, but it's basically like a cheaper Home Depot and Lowe's, and honestly anything cheaper we love. But yeah, I have to remember that right now I'm really focusing on flooring, paint, and yeah, that's it, flooring and paint. So originally this was the color flooring I wanted, and or like this, and I kind of just shifted into dark wood like that. And I don't know, I kind of like the dark wood look now. But once again, this is not what I need to be worried about, this right here, because I will be staining the living room floor. So I can skip all of this and go straight to the wood stain. Okay, the wood stain in here is a lot cheaper. And I will go back through this video, like all of the footage, to see if it's the same, like or milliliters I think it's in. I don't think it's in ounces. Yeah, see if it's this. No, yeah, 32 fluid ounces. So I'll go back through the video to see if it's the same, but it's looking like it's cheaper in here. Even the one with the poly, like the guy said, is cheaper. One coat confidence, you'll have to see it. Also, once again, I am a sucker for like neutral colors, and I also have to think about the color I want the cabinets to be, because that will determine what color I paint the wall in the kitchen. So it's just so much that I have to think about right now. But yeah, those prices are definitely pricing. I feel like something neutral like this would be the obvious choice, or like just plain white when it comes to cabinets, but I don't know. Just thinking about the fact that I will have to decide on like my countertop as well in the kitchen, and probably in the bathrooms as well. I did not realize they had samples over here for like the countertops. I may as well go ahead and pick something out just so I can go ahead and match it. Like if they had samples, honestly I should get like paint samples for the cabinets so that I can match everything, but this is literally turning out so perfectly. Okay, I have some options picked out for like the countertops. I need to like pick out some color though. Like I can't just have like white everything. Okay, I don't know if I want to go with like a gray or white, or if I want to just stain it or paint it, you know? So I'm going to put this right here in the middle and compare it when I wash this back. Yeah, I don't really like the options they have for the peel and stick tile. Actually, here are more options. And yeah, honestly, I'm just going to play this back and finally decide, because right now I can't really tell. I do know that I do not want like something dark like this in the kitchen. I do like this though, but yeah, I just want something light in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. I like this a lot. Last store. So you know the whole rundown. First things first, I gotta look at some paint, then some flooring, and then some tiling. Okay, psych, I actually ended up on this aisle, and I don't know, like just a plain white countertop actually does not look bad. So in one of the next few vlogs I will be going through the house and just like cleaning everything. So I mean, maybe I will find out that I actually like the white countertops that are in there right now. Okay, I found the laminate countertop samples in here. Some of them actually match the ones I grabbed from Menards, but there are no prices, so I guess I'll just have to type it in online and figure out the prices. I don't know. Ooh, honestly, I think I like the look of their peel and stick tile, but I mean, it's not that much different than the other ones, so also I'm still going to go by the prices. Oh, it's bigger, so I have to compare that too. This is going to be so much fun when I finally decide what I want. But I have to go home and like look at all of my samples and also Pinterest, and then decide, and yeah, then make some calls, because I'm not doing the floor myself. And just so that I know, this is the price for these, and we're 32 fluid ounces. Okay. Sometimes, but Okay, I'm home and I also already brought all of the groceries up and put everything away. But I just wanted to show you guys my plans right now. So I got so many samples today. These are like countertop type samples, and then these are just flooring options. If I did use these, I think this would be more of like a bathroom look, and then this would be more of a kitchen look, or kitchen bathroom. I don't know. I think this one would be more of a kitchen, and then maybe bathroom. I'm not really sure, but I just really like this one. Then I also got some different color scheme ideas. So basically tonight I will just be laying everything out and coming up with more of a clear cut plan, so that way I can start hiring people to come and do some of the work and we can really get started here. And also I grabbed some of these so that way I can see more of the colors that are available and just kind of get, like, you know, inspiration and everything. So I will be looking at these as well. I think that will be the fun part, just being able to renovate and just remodel and stuff like that. That would be so much fun, and I cannot wait to take you guys along with me through the process. But yes, so that is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye, guys.